Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to make a quick video about Apple Maps integrating with EV vehicles. So that's very exciting news. I checked my apps, the Apple Maps or phone, and I don't have it. So what you have to do is first you can check Apple Maps. You click that. It should have a vehicle section, but my Apple Maps doesn't have that right now. Let's go out, software update, and you have to download 16.5. That's the newest one, so let's download and install. And update requested. So we're gonna wait and I'll show you soon. My cat is checking if this is done. Hey buddy, my studio, look at this. Nice. Whoop, sorry. Hey buddy, he used to be my cat's room, but I made it into a little studio. And look at this. You have a funny face. My cat? It's a male cat. He likes me. So I updated my app and my Porsche app is all updated. So open up my Porsche. And you have to go to details and go to function. You have to activate it through my Porsche app right here. Apple Maps EV routing. See? It's right here. Click that. And now you have to go through this. Okay, get started. Let's try that. So follow these steps. Open home screen in the PCM. Open devices. Select connect new devices. Connect smartphone app with the vehicle and QR code appears in the PCM. So now you have to just scan QR code, right? So let's do that. Let's go to home screen and open devices. Here, connect new devices. Smartphone app with the vehicle, click that. And that's the QR code. So right here, let's scan QR code. Let's try that, okay? All right. Right there. Something's happening. Connection successful. So now vehicle function comes up. So you have to do this. If not, it's not gonna show anything. Connect your Porsche and then connect. Improve EV routing. So I'll share vehicle data. See right there, it shows percentage of my car on my phone. That's awesome. Without using the Porsche app or something, it's through the Apple Maps. That's cool. So if you click that, now I have the vehicle section here. Tactical Expedition. Click that. That's it right here. Tactical Expedition. So it is connected to my Porsche app. That's the name, charger, plug type. So basically it accepts both. Taycan is one of the approved cars. And I know the Ford Mach-E is another car that is working. So you can kind of check. Manufacturer Porsche Taycan. So that's it. So now it is working. So just like that. Let's test something. So from the Apple CarPlay. So now search. I'll do Las Vegas. Just for example. Look at Las Vegas. Look at this. So it tells me one stop in Barstow to charge. That is cool. Look at this. One stop in Barstow. Directions that end closest open road destination. Boom. So when I reach the destination, 22% on arrival. Apple CarPlay is more useful than before. So win Las Vegas. This one. So this is not doing the EV planning. Look at this. Okay, charging plan. Okay, you have to activate that. Let's try that. Okay. So now it's calculating. I haven't been using that function. Okay. So right here, so it tells me I have to stop here. Same thing. It increased the time because I have to charge in the middle. So that location might be same as, but it tells me one stop in Victorville. 4 hours and 22 minutes ETA with a one stop. So charge for 20 minutes at EVgo. So I just wanted to show you this Apple Maps function because it's fairly new. I tried to hook it up, but I was getting a lot of errors. That's how you use the Apple CarPlay EV version for your car. Just an amazing car. Look at this. See, light goes off and everything shuts off. So make sure you push that power button because it really shuts down the car properly. Don't just come out and let the car shut off because it's gonna give you some errors. Notice a lot of the users go through a lot of the errors. Kind of unfortunate. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.